morning, ma'am. I am Rasha Jean Cordes Tagala, student nurse from Pamantasan ng Luzon ng San Pablo. May I know your name po?
I'm BND Guerrero.
Can you state your age and your birthday po?
14 years old, December 11, 2009.
Okay, may I look at your wristband here for your verification. Thank you. So, ma'am, I am here today to assess your breast and your lymphatic system or your lymph nodes. The purpose of this is to identify risk factors that may affect the breast and the lymph nodes, also to differentiate normal between abnormal associated with your breast and. So before the procedure, you must observe the proper hand hygiene or you must do hand grab first. You must do this before touching the patient, before doing the procedure, after the procedure, and before touching the patient's surroundings. We must also wear the personal protective equipment to protect ourselves and also to protect the patients. So first, the face mask. Next is the gown. Next is the gloves. And the personal protective goggles. So I have gathered here all the necessary equipments that we will be using. I have here a centimeter ruler and an alcohol for disinfection. So ma'am, may I know do you have any medical history regarding your breast and your lymphatic nodes, lymphatic system? So for the first part, I am going to inspect your size, your breast size and symmetry, the color and its texture, superficial venous patterns, and the areolas and nipples. So ma'am, can you sit properly po? With your body straight. Okay, I will observe for you. Can you raise your hand like this, ma'am? Straight body po. Okay. And can you lean a little? Okay. Thank you. So for the second part, ma'am, I am going to palpate for its texture and elasticity, for its tenderness and its temperature, and also if there is masses. Ma'am, can you do the supine position po? I will do. Diyan po kayo. Adjust na po. Diyan mo kayo. Yeah. So, first, you must do it like this. Raise your other hand. So, for the other one, put it down. So, baba na po. Okay. Wait lang po. Next, I will inspect and palpate your axilla and also your axillary nodes. So, ma'am, you can stand up na po and go back to your sitting position po. Can you adjust your palm? So, in this part, I want you to raise your arms like this. And the other one. So, ma'am, the assessment is now done. Do you have any clarification, additional information to know?
Wala po.
Okay. So, I will report all the findings right after I will resume your position. Thank you so much for your cooperation, ma'am. God bless. So after the assessment, I have documented all the necessary information and communicated well with the patient. Now I will remove my personal protective equipment, starting from the glasses and the gloves. And dispose it properly with the yellow tin. Next is the gown. And also dispose it properly. Now for the face mask. So after removing the personal protective equipment, I can now do the proper hand washing or the hand rub. Thank you so much for watching.